They never wanted us to make it, but we steady building ish they can't create. With all my niggas scraping, try go out to any on the same. It's all about your patience. Though without a dream, what are you chasing? Don't you be complacent. Think like you gon' be in bigger places, need them bigger faces. I've been going strong for way too long. Hardly been at home, just working on the daily. For that pay, I need them bigger faces. So I've been in my zone, just pacing on the struggle, getting old. You ask me how I change it, I'ma say I need them bigger faces. Tell me if I'm wrong for putting on for just a little more. Gotta feed my babies, I'm just saying I need bigger faces. Won't miss it when it's gone inside. I had them riches all along, but life is for the taking. I need bigger faces.
Wallahi, I never get complacent when I possess them bigger faces. Constantly catching my dreams, shit, I'm off to the races. Fell down, rose back up, wow, you should've seen they faces. You should've seen they faces. Grandma said if you hang around trash, then you gon' be that. And if you surround yourself around money, then you gon' see that. I get around my soul to feel through these beats. What's up, solar field? We elevating through these beats. All I need is them bigger faces, watch them multiply. That's my mission, one day making it out of the trenches is my vision. Wanna succeed while I'm giving back. Listen, all I need is them bigger faces. Really, that's all that I'm missing, minus the jury. Should I rather let my inner shine? They don't wanna see us make it. That's how the system designed. So that's why I'm so determined to make it through that finish line. And after every hardship is a relief.
They never wanted us to make it, but we steady building ish they can't.